Hi friends, this is your A sir, and today I have come up with a new problem on HCF and LCM. The problem reads like this: find the HCF and LCM of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 10 by 27 and 16 by 81. So now fractions are given and you need to find the HCF and LCM of the given fractions. For this, a formula is given. What is that formula? HCF of the given fractions will be HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Clear? Let me read again. HCF of given fractions is equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Now what is numerator and what is a denominator? In the given fractions 2, 8, 10 and 16 are called numerators, and 3, 9, 27, 81 are called denominators. So now let us find the HCF of the given fractions. So HCF of numerators is equal to what? What is the highest common factor among 2, 8, 10 and 16? 2. So 2 will be the highest common factor because all these numbers are divisible by 2. Highest. So now LCM of denominators. Let us find LCM. 2, 8, 10. No. LCM denominator. 3, 9, 27 and 81. All these are divisible by 3. So 3. 1 ja, 3 ja, 9 ja, 27 ja. Again 3. 1 ja, 3 ja and 9 ja. Again 3. 1, 1, 1, 3. So what is the LCM of the denominator? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 9 into 9. 9 9 are how much? 81. Clear? So the HCF of the given fractions is equal to 2 by 81. HCF of given fractions. Understood? Our problem is not finished. We have to find the LCM also. So what is the formula for LCM? LCM of given fractions is equal to LCM of numerators. What? LCM of numerators by HCF of denominator. So first let us find the LCM of numerator. 2, 8, 10, 16. All these numbers are divisible by 2. 1, 4, 5 and 8. 4. So now let us multiply 4 to the 8. 8 5 the 40. 40 to the 80. So 80 will be your LCM of numerators. So now let us find the HCF of denominators. What is the denominator? 3, 9, 27 and 81. So all these numbers are divisible by 3 and that will be the highest common factor. So your LCM of the given fractions is equal to 80 by 3. I think you understood how to find the HCF and LCM of given fractions. So now your second sum reads like this. Find HCF of 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So what is your formula? HCF of the given numbers is equal to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Clear? What is the formula for HCF of the given fractions? HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. Just I told you what are your numerators. 1, 2, 3, 4 are your numerator. And what are your denominator? 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to find the HCF of numerators. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. These four numbers do not have any common factor. Understood? These four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 do not have any common factor. So your HCF will be how much? 1. Clear? You see? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 do not have any common factor. So 1 will be your HCF. And what is your LCM of denominator? 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 1 ja, 3, 2 ja, 5. Multiply. 2, 3 ja, 6. 5, 2 ja, 10. 6, 10 ja, 60. So 60 will be your LCM. So HCF of your given fractions will be 1 by 60. Understood? So what is your choice? D. D is given 1 by 60. Clear? I think you understood how to solve. So your third sum reads like this. Find HCF of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 10 by 27 and 32 by 81. Let me read again. Find HCF of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 10 by 27 and 32 by 81. And here four options are given. So you have to choose the right option. So what is the formula for HCF of given fractions? HCF is equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominator. So what are numerators? 2, 8, 10 and 32. And what are denominators? 3, 9, 27, 81. Clear? What is the HCF of numerator? See. 2. 8 also divided by 2. 10 also divided by 2. And 32 is also divided by 2. So your HCF will be 2. Let us keep here. And what is LCM of? What is LCM of your denominator? LCM of your denominator. What is your denominator? 3, 8, 27 and 81. Clear? So let us find 3, 9, 27, 81. All are divided by 3. again by 3, again by 3. So now 3 3 are 9 and 3 3 are 9. 9 9 are 81. So your LCM of denominator is 81. So what is your HCF of given fractions? You got 2 by 81. So your C is the right option. I think you understood how to solve. Now your next sum reads like this. Find LCM of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8. What you need to find? Find the LCM of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8. And what is the formula for LCM of given fractions? It is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So what are numerator? 3, 6, 9. And what is denominator? 4, 7, 8. So what is LCM of numerator? Let us find. 3, 6, 9. 3. 1 ja, 2 ja, 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18 is your LCM. Let us write here. And what is your HCF of denominator? That means you have to find the HCF, highest common factor, among 4, 7 and 8. And all these three numbers do not get divisible by any single number. So the HCF will be 1. HCF will be 1. So LCM of given fractions is equal to 18 by 1 or 18. So your A is the right choice. So your next sum reads like this. Find LCM of 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. What is the formula for LCM of fractions? LCM is equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Clear? So what are your numerators? 2, 4, 5, 7 and denominator 3, 9, 6, 12. So now what is the LCM of 2, 4, 5, 7? 2, 4, 5, 7. 2. 1 ja, 2 ja, 5, 7. 2 2 ja 4. 4 5 ja 20. 20 into 7. How much? 140. So 140 is your LCM. Let us keep there. And what is HCF denominator? You see 3, 9, 6, 12. All these four numbers have 3 as highest common factor. So your HCF of 3, 9, 6, 12 will be 3. So LCM of given fractions is equal to 140 by 3. So here your D is the right answer. I think you understood today's lesson and have a nice day. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.